Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me. So today I filmed my breakout makeup routine. That's what I'm calling it. It's basically what I do when I'm breaking out, which I have been the last 3 weeks. We'll get into that and why. But this is what I've been doing. It's not like full coverage. You can still see my skin, but the whole point of this look is to look better, like enhance what you do have. Thankfully, I have smooth skin right now, so that's what I'm enhancing. And you can still see like my freckles and, well, my scars, let's be honest. But the whole point of this is to look like fresh and glowy. Do you see what I mean? Do you like this? We like this. I've honestly missed filming and I got really excited today. I put up a new backdrop, got my little salted caramel fall candles over there burning. It smells really good. I even have my pumpkin spice latte. Who am I? So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. This is gonna be a very chill video. I'm just gonna show you my routine that I do, like my breakout makeup routine when I'm breaking out. Like one here, here, and here, but they're almost gone. I've been doing IPL twice a week, so that's been helping a lot. I never really show my skin prep, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do in the morning. So I just wash my face, put on some brows. I'm gonna tone my face with the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7%. So I usually always do a toner in the morning. So I asked you guys on Instagram what type of video you want to see first. A breakout makeup routine, which is what we're doing today, or like a fall makeup look, which I'm going to film after this because it was like 50-50, so I'm going to film both. But I wanted to film this one first because it's part of the reason why I've been a little MIA here on YouTube and Instagram, because of my skin. So right after toning, I go straight into some light skincare. I always put on skincare in the morning, especially if I'm wearing makeup, because I kind of want it to be working underneath while I'm wearing makeup. Now, when I am breaking out, I try really hard to let my skin breathe and not wear makeup and let it, you know, heal faster. But this is what I do when I have to wear makeup or have to film or whatever. Okay, so I usually put on some sort of niacinamide. This one is from Paulas Choice. It's 10%. It's just a 10% niacinamide booster. And with this, since it's so liquidy, I kind of just pat it in. I have a few different types of niacinamide. The ordinary one is amazing. Kind of just switch between them because they're kind of all the same, to be honest. I really like this DermaE Acne Rebalancing Cream. It has salicylic acid in it, so that's gonna help with the breakouts. This one is like a thicker consistency, but I like that, and it actually doesn't make you like super oily throughout the day. So I feel like if you have oily skin, this will really like be nice under makeup or just as a moisturizer. And then I go in with some foundation. This is the Zoeva Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. It reminds me a lot of the Nars Luminous All Day, whatever it's called, foundation. I'm not gonna do full coverage today, believe it or not, because my texture is actually really good. So I think I'm just gonna like cover the redness where I need it, not the whole face, if you know what I mean. So this is like what I want. I want it to kind of cover all the redness and stuff, but you can still see like my skin through it. And it's very light, so I'll only spot conceal where I need it. I kind of blame myself for the way my skin's been acting the last couple of weeks. I basically abandoned everything that I've been telling others to do to get clearer skin, and I've been eating like crap. I've been basically neglecting my body, okay? I've been eating like shit, not really drinking enough water, stopped taking my vitamins, and I don't know, it all just went downhill so fast. So that's kind of where I've been, just hiding out, trying to get back to eating healthier, drinking more water, like actually taking care of myself. And so last week I've been like on it, and my skin has cleared up dramatically. Also, I've been getting IPL facials twice a week now. I have one tomorrow and then 2 more next week, and that's been helping a lot. Like my texture is so smooth now, and I'm not gonna lie, I had my fun indulging in anything and everything, sugar wise, carb wise, but my skin hated me for it, so I won't be doing that again until Thanksgiving. Let me tell you what I realized. First, I'm gonna put on some concealer. I've been trying out the new Seamless Concealer from Iconic London. They're actually really nice. What I realized is I'm not one of those, well, I kind of knew this already, but I'm not one of those people that can eat whatever they want, like my mom. Literally can eat whatever they want, as much sugar and carbs and whatever, and their skin is still flawless. Like no pores, no acne. Like how? Why didn't I get that gene? And if you're one of those people that can eat whatever they want and your skin is still flawless, God bless. Can't relate. But yeah, I went back on my vitamin B5, zinc. Within a week, everything has calmed down. Those vitamins really help with inflammation. I have like a whole video on it. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. I'll leave it somewhere here or in the description box. And I also have been juicing celery again every morning. So it's been fun. I'm gonna use this blush, the new, well, it's not new, Nars Orgasm blush stick. I think this might be a mini. Look how cute it is. But they sent over their like holiday collection, which is so pretty. I'm actually gonna use this blush palette today. It has like this glitter texture on it. So pretty. There's so much other stuff that came out. I do think that like liquid blush gives you a very youthful look. So that's why I like to do it when like I want my skin to look extra good. It gives you such a nice glow from within kind of look. For bronzer, you guys should already know this. I've been using this like every single time I do my makeup. The Huda Beauty Tantour cream bronzer. It's really nice. I don't have anything quite like it, so I'm just gonna keep using this until I find something better, which I don't like. I'm not looking for anything better because I really like this one. So easy. Sometimes I'll take the leftover cream bronzer and I'll put it under my lash line. To set everything in place, I'm gonna use the Juno & Co. makeup setting powder. This is like the clear one. Now for some blush. So this is the Nars cheek palette from the new holiday collection. It's called Free Lover. So cute. So I'm gonna mix these two. I think blush and bronzer is like my favorite thing to do on the skin. I like a lot of blush, as you know. And then for highlighter, I honestly don't have any new highlighters, so I'm just gonna use my Persona Zuma highlighter. It's really pretty. So I've been putting highlighter like just there. Normally I would go like the whole thing. I tried this new technique where I put highlighter like right at the top of the cheek, not the cheekbone. And I don't know, I feel like it looks better. Let me know. I think it looks cute. I'm gonna throw some quick brown into my crease just to warm it up. And I'm gonna use the Big Browns from Dose of Colors. I really like this palette except for like it kicks up a lot of fallout, if that makes sense. These colors are really nice. Like you see how I just tapped it and there's so much fallout. It's whatever. And then lastly, just throw on some mascara. This is the Buxom Mascara. I've been using this for months. If you know me, then you should know that this is my favorite mascara. Okay, if I could be a mascara, I would be this. It like separates your lashes and it gives you, makes your lashes longer. Mine are pretty long, but it just looks so nice. And now I think I want to throw on like a brown glossy lip, you know, to match my theme going on here. I love these glosses from Iconic London, and I have a dupe for you guys, the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. They're basically, like these two are basically the same exact shade. So this is Iconic London in the shade Nearly Nude, and then this is the Colourpop Attention Haul. I know Iconic London is a UK brand, so if you can't get your hands on this one, the Colourpop ones are really good too. First, we gotta line the lips. I actually want to compare these two, so I'm gonna put the Iconic London on my bottom lip. So pretty. It reminds me of like a coffee, like a latte. So that's Iconic London Nearly Nude. And then Colourpop Attention Haul on the top. This one has more of like a cool undertone. They look almost identical. Whatever, you get it. I'm just gonna mix it. That is cute. That's a cute gloss. Cute. I mainly do this for the scent. Lavender, anything lavender. If you want to know what to get me for Christmas, anything lavender. Okay, this is it, the finished look. So the whole point is not to like conceal and cover everything. You can still see my skin peeking through, like my freckles and stuff over here, or should I say my scars. But I like it this way. I don't want it to be like super full coverage. It's the whole point of this look, is to look fresh, dewy, natural, So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be filming another fall makeup look tomorrow for those of you who are itching for more fall looks. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And action! Happy fall! Do you think my mom watches my videos?